a hat. Cool. Anytime we're out here in North Carolina farm, we get to see some cool stuff. So I'm gonna go down here. My little brother Shannon, who's not little, my big little brother, he is working on his sawmill, and I want to catch kind of a clip of what this thing does. It's really cool to watch. Log up on it. There's a red center of cedar. Now we can go around and use this sawmill, portable sawmill, turned into fence posts. Pretty awesome use of wood that would have just been somewhat scrapped. So as we travel, I'm able to do some of my work right from Starbucks with my laptop. Blue coming out with me. She's watching her movies, and I am sitting here on the laptop. That's my TARDIS. You like that, don't you? TARDIS right there. And you can see right here, I'm logged in on somebody's machine, way on to work, and this specific Starbucks has Google Internet. It's very fast. It's awesome. Here we go. La 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 la. Elmo's world. Elmo lost his goldfish, his crayon too. That's Elmo's world.